Sa tagal nating hindi nakapag-vlog ng Yamaha motorcycle, we're finally back, my dear friends, here in Motor Hub Corporation. Nandito tayo sa May Talomo, and right in front of you is the new Yamaha Sniper 155. Sa mga naghahanap ng rason na bumili ng Yamaha Sniper, I think this is one of the reasons why you should buy now. Babanggitin natin lahat ng nabago dito sa motorsiklo na to. But before anything else, you know how it goes. Let's bring that sexy music on. Alright. So sa lahat na naghahanap ng mabilis pero may dating at saka fuel efficiency, I think this is your bike. When it comes to the engine displacement, it has a 155cc. Naka-liquid cooled po siya with a 6-speed manual with assist slipper clutch. And ang kanyang power kayang umabot ng 17.9 horses and 14.4 Newton meters of torque. At saka sa mga nagsasabi na hindi maganda si Sniper, isipin nyo na lang, si Sniper na underbone, parang sport bike yung datingan. Ayan o, may fairing siya dyan and natatakpan ng maayos yung engine. So, may quite protection siya sa kanyang harapan. Bibilihan mo nga lang ng radiator cover pero on this part, okay na okay na. Expect na mas mabilis sa ibang 155 ni Yamaha kasi isa to sa pinakamagaan, 119 kilograms only. Meron din siyang 5.4 liters gas tank capacity and kayang umabot ng 43 to 48 km per liter. Kung hindi mo papailawin yung VVA, I believe so, you can reach up to 50 km per liter, just like my XSR 155. Massive shoutout kay Ma'am Rose. Ayan. She is 5'2" and the seat height is 795 millimeters. Hindi kasi siya nagmamotor, pero if you know the drill, ayan, 1 foot naman po, walang problema. Massive shoutout kay Sir Clark. Si Sir Clark, half Japanese yan eh. Konnichiwa! Pagdating sa seat height, almost flat-footed naman po. I know, 2 feet on the ground naman kahit papano. Tipito nga lang, pero ayan po yung makukuha natin if we are 5'5 or 5'6. Dear friends, this is the cyan color coming from 155. Sadly, si 155R walang ganito. Dating sa kanyang lighting, naka-DRL po tayo. Headlight, high beam, naka-LED po sila lahat except sa kanyang turn signals, pero may diffuser naman po, kaya okay pa rin yung itsura. On the rear, ganito yung makukuha natin. R-series na taillight with a bulb na turn signals. So masasabi mo talagang mas maganda to or mas Yamaha representative to kaysa sa kay 155R. Pero if you are a big fan of a black color, sa tingin ko magugustuhan mo si 155R. Kanyang harapan, ang windshield, maganda po. Ang kitang-kita yung butas niya dito kasi nga, it's a different color unlike the black. And may black siya na variation on this part with the Yamaha branding. And I love the sticker, by the way, my dear friends. It's really good. Bagay sa kanya and parang pininta nga lang din eh. Kung hindi mo lalapitan ng ganyan, ayan, hindi mo malalamang sticker. Akala mo pintado lang siya. Ayan. Palibutan natin lahat ng sticker para makita nyo and ma-showcase natin ang maayos si Yamaha Sniper. And also, I fell in love with the color of the fender, my dear friends. Ang ganda ng kanyang itsura. The wheels, I'm gonna comment again. Ginawa nilang pula just like last time. So maganda talaga, parang empty series yung dating niya. So ang pinagkaiba nila ni 155R, si 155R kasi nakakiles, ito po nakadisusi. Ang kanyang display ganito, usually may ABS na nakalagay dito kay 155R, kay 155 VVA wala po. And ito lang yung mga lighting na makukuha mo, but the controls are the same. Meron siyang hazard, pass switch niya maganda din. And coming off from the luma, nilagyan nila ng disenyo dito na 155 din. Yun yung difference nila. And kung titignan nyo, same display, my dear friends, as the 155R. Pag pinindot mo to, trip 1, trip 2, F, orasan, fuel economy, and the average. Fuel gauge on this part, speed, RPM. Alright. At saka isa din sa makukomment mo kay Yamaha is their seat. Maganda po yung pagkakayari and may variation din siya. On this one, perforated. On this part and this part, leather tayo. Hindi naman masyadong kakapalan, but it's not that bad. And nakita naman natin umupo kanina. Pwede pang touring, pwede pang sport. 1,290mm po ang kanyang wheelbase. Ang kanyang ground clearance, 150mm. So, mga hit guard nila, my dear friends, ganito lang naman kasimple. Ayan lang. So, kung dito ka tatapak, at least may abang dito. I would say, my dear friends, may slight improvement na sa kanyang exhaust, to be quite honest. In terms of the material itself, ayan o, titignan nyo. And panoorin nyo na lang yung video ko ng Sniper last year. Basta kami pagbabago talaga siya. Also on this part, dati pa nilang ginagawa to, pero ayun, mas malinis siya tignan, mas kumikinang. This is still a non-inverted front fork sa may likuran. Monoshock with the preload adjustability. I love the looks of the smart guard. Ang swing arm niya, simplistic. Hindi ako magre-reklamo kasi maganda pa rin naman yung motorsiklo kahit papano, pero pwede mo palitan kung gusto mo. So ang kanyang wheels, 10 slice spoke. Maganda po ang kanyang datingan. If it's not broken, bakit babaguhin? Naka-hydraulic disc brake po tayo sa harapan. Hydraulic disc brake din po sa likuran. Pwede daw tong lagyan ng ABS, kaso marami kang kakalikutin or marami kang bibilin. Ang size ng kanyang wheels sa harapan, 90, 80, 17. Sa may likuran naman, 120, 70, 17. Dito walang branding. Nandito may Nissan branding siya. Yan, ang ganda ng itsura. So, presyohang Sniper 155 dito kay Yamaha Motor Hub Corporation. Ang kanyang COD, 125,900 Philippine pesos only. Lowest down payment, 9,694. Ang kanyang 6 months, 24,364. 12 months, 13,588. 18 months, 9,604. 24 months, 7,691. 30 months, 6,426. 36 months, 5,876. Not bad. Ayan o, kung papapiliin ka, ito o yung black. Para sa akin, mas maganda itsura nito, pero may single channel ABS, black. So if you pay before your due date or on time, meron tayong 200 Philippine pesos na rebates, my dear friends. So massive shoutout kay Sir Manny and the whole staff of Motor Hub Corporation for allowing me to vlog on their new arrival 2024 Yamaha Sniper 155. And para kanina itong motorsiklo na to, sa tingin ko kung ako yung papapiliin, I'd go with the safety feature. Pero kung magaling ka na magmotor, sa tingin ko hindi mo na kailangan yun. Kasi may 2 kg siya na difference, and para sa akin, 2 kg difference on a speed makes a big difference as well, my dear friends. And subok na si Sniper dito sa Pilipinas for more than a decade now. So, ayan. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this beautiful bike right here. And if you have violent reactions, go crazy. Subscribe if you haven't already. And next to the Sporting 14 to everyone. Keep on praying, trust the process. And I'll see you in the next.